AZ-104. Let's do a quick lab. Provide storage for the public website. The company website supplies product images, videos, marketing, and so on and so on. Customers located worldwide demand everything rapidly. Low latency, low times. Okay, launch exercise. It's an architecture diagram. Estimated 20 minutes. Availability. Okay, we can go straight to Azure. Create a storage account with high availability. Storage accounts, create. So here they want us to create a new resource group. Let's name it something that's related to this lab. For example, I just call it blob. Blob 104. Storage account name, just copy paste. Make sure it's unique. It'll do. I'll switch to US East because I've had issues with US West for 104 labs. So let's keep it this way. Okay, at this point they say review and create, so let's do that. And from here, step 2 is this storage requires high availability if it's regional outage. So we'll go to data management and redundancy sections. Deployment is still in progress. Go to resource. Data management and redundancy blade. Read access. Geo-redundant storage is selected. Read access, geo-redundant. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, so we wanted just to check it out. Don't have to modify anything. Information on public website should be accessible without requiring customers to log in. In the storage account in settings section, configuration blade, right here. Ensure the allow blob anonymous access cell setting is enabled. Yes, click. We should have that enabled. Some blobs might become anonymously readable. Save. Create a blob storage container with anonymous read access. In your storage account right here, data storage, data management, data storage, containers, and here we have to create a new container. They want us to name it public. Create. So while it's creating, let's review what we need to do in step 2. Customers should be able to view the images without being authenticated. Configure anonymous read access for the public container blobs. Select your public container, overview table, change access level. Overview, change access level. That little lock. Ensure the public access level is blob, anonymous, read access for blobs only. That's what we need. We just enabled it. What? Okay, let's go back to step 1. Yeah, let's verify if it went through. Let's open it again. Containers, public. Okay, so that's where we needed to change the access level right here. Anonymous read access for blobs only. Okay. Okay, so we change the access level for the container, not for the blobs or items inside of the container. Okay. So let's go back to our container. Containers blade, public. That's our container. Okay. The access level is changed. Okay, I looked it up. Looks like that setting is blocking us. I thought we enabled it, but let's do it again. So enable, save. Okay, now it should be enabled. So we can go back here, public, change access level, and that should apply now. And we're good. Okay, that's the access level that we want. So now we can practice uploading files and testing access. So we'll have to go inside of the public container, upload, and upload a random file. For example, just a random picture from the internet. Upload, close the upload window, refresh the page, and ensure your file was uploaded. Okay, it shows up. Determine the URL for your uploaded file. Select the file. Overview is right here, and that's the URL of my file. Copy paste and check it out. Everything works beautiful. Configure soft delete. the next step. It's important that the website documents can be restored if they're deleted. Configure blob soft delete for 21 days. Go to overview blade of your storage account. So we're back to our storage account. That's our container. That's our storage account. Overview. Properties. Properties. Blob. Locate the blob service section. Blob service right here. Select the blob soft delete setting. So we should change to 21 days. Keep deleting blobs in days 21. Soft delete for containers. So we can modify it also here, but the lab is not specifying if we need to. So let's just keep it like that. Okay, that should be all it takes. Save. If something gets deleted, you need to practice using soft delete to restore the files. Navigate to your container where you uploaded the file, select file you uploaded, then select delete. Okay. So, storage browser. Why? I pressed save. Did it go through? Let's refresh and see what's going on here. So it's at 21 days, okay. Containers. Let's go to our container and practice a soft delete. So here it says a retention period of 20 days because it gets deleted at 21. Okay. Delete. Successfully deleted. On the container overview page, toggle the slider show deleted blobs. Is it in columns? No. So from here they want us to go here and check that out. Status deleted. Okay. How to undelete it? Oh, right click, undelete. Now back to our container, public, and test should be back right here. Okay. Let's go further. Configure blob versioning. It is important to keep track of the different website product document versions. Okay, go to the overview blade of the storage account, properties, blob service section again. Gotta go back to the storage account, properties. Okay, so we have to go to overview, properties, blob service, versioning. It's disabled right now, so we need to enable it. Ensure the enable versioning for blobs checkbox is checked. Enable versioning for blobs. Enable soft delete. That's what we need. Keep all versions. Okay. So So we save changes for that setting. As you have time, experiment with restoring previous blob versions. Upload another version of your container file. This overrides your existing file. Your previous file version is listed on show deleted blobs page. Okay. So let's go back to blob containers, public, and let's upload another version of that file. So overrides existing file. Overwrite if file already exists. Do we want to check it? They're not specifying. Oh, okay. So it's not even gonna let us to upload it. So if we press override, now we're gonna have versioning. That's the setting that we enabled. And did it replace? Or do I have both? Blob containers, public. So it replaced it. Okay. And if we go to show active and deleted blobs, just shows the current version. Oh, okay, so that's the previous file actually, and that's my current file. So that's all versioning is about, really. And yeah, that's all they had for us in that lab. Key takeaways. Congrats. So Azure Blob Storage is optimized for storing massive amounts of unstructured data. Yeah, because for structured data, databases are used, and so on and so on. Okay, let's do more labs in the future.